Jim here from K2 Concepts. We're shooting a series of videos with Brent here from Kansas Hydro on some new films that he's introducing over the next couple weeks. Today we're playing with his Blue Fire. We are remote live in Brent's shop in Kansas. This is another flame pattern. You've probably seen me play with that True Fire that Brent has. This one feels a little not as robust as the True Fire, but it's got a lot of detail. You guys that are into flames, it's a pretty film. So Brent's going to do all the work today. I'm just going to be talking.
I will add though, and we didn't say this in the Green Fire, these are full 1 meter prints. The True Flame, that's a natural flame, I can only get it in a 50 centimeter.
2 passes, 1/8 tip. Press compressor. Now I just gotta wait for his phone choo-choo to go off. 60 seconds, 90 degrees.
It's coming.
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
Yeah. There you go. Looks good.
Blue Flame.
Not much black degradation. So I'd say that's a winner.
Usually, you know, when it fades out, it'll be on the end of the part. So the first part into the water is usually the truest. What you want to look at is the back part of the part. And if that black stays black, that's what you want.
It's a pretty good film.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
KansasHydrographics.com.
Again, Brett's Blue Fire Flame. We're going to shoot a couple more videos. A little Corona for the haters. If you have any questions, give us or email us k2forums@gmail.com. You can visit us on the forum. We're Brent's a sponsor at k2forums.com. That's k2forums.com. And Brent's a sponsor on there. You can contact him through the website there if you have any questions or requests for special films and stuff like that. So that's it for this one. Hope you're having a good day dipping, and we'll talk to you later.